bunch of bugs yesterday. I should have went with them instead. So we're gonna try to get me on a nice 4-point. I'm not gonna be too picky, but we spotted our first doe here, and hopefully there's a buck with them. Yeah, right there, bro. I want him to turn around. Okay. He was a perfect turnaround distance where you can see how tall he was. Yeah, like that. That's good footage. Yeah. Try to center it. Yeah, that's good footage. You need to zoom in just a little. Yeah, right there. Yeah. Yeah, get that footage. We're going after that buck, so hopefully get our shot off on him. Whew. All right, Christian and I are going to be going up in the nastiest. Just take a look at this. This right here, this brush is littered in this country that we're hunting. We know there's elk here, we know there's deer here from a buddy who confirmed it with us. But we're in for a treat here. This is some nasty, typical Northwest Montana terrain. So we're trying to access it from a different point, but our main objective is to see if we can access it from here, because they go in from the bottom and go straight up. So we found a nice little road that we think is going to be a lot better. Lots of grids here, so we got to be careful of that, but let's try to keep you updated and show you how nasty this stuff really is. We just spotted our first deer. It's a 4-point. My brother's going to take a shot. It's not the biggest mule deer, I mean, but it's a 4-point. 4 points is 4 point. Exactly. So we're gonna get after it. It's actually not a bad 4-point. Get this angle. Wait, no. That's a 3. That buck's chasing the doe. See it? How far is it? 320. 320 is not bad. Just freaking shoot. Wait, it's moving down, Christian. It's moving down. Broadside, Christian. He's the back one. He's the back one. He's quartering away. He's completely. Did you rearrange him, Christian? Smoked him?
I freaking smoked him.
No, you didn't.
I freaking see him all lying on the ground.
Did you?
Yes.
Oh, I should have held my camera better. Holy smokes, that scared me.
I just used the freaking hole.
I don't know where he is.
I shot at 400 so many times. Benya,
I can't see it.
I shot at 400 so many times. I swear on everything I shot on 400 so many times on this rifle. I know exactly where it is. I don't even need it.
Down.
I saw him drop right away.
We didn't see any any deer all day. All day. And then we just crest over this ridge where you can't really see it where most people glass. It has like a ridge. Not bad. Okay, we're gonna go try to find him. This stuff is, I wish you guys could understand how steep this stuff really is. Oh, it was worth it. Just so you guys can see how steep this really is. Insane. This is insane. I don't even know where to go. This is some high country for you. Well, here she is, folks. 3x4 extreme high country mule deer. The country these suckers live in is unexplainable.
Show them where we shot it from.
Oh, that's a good buck. Woo!
Show them.
Now there's a pack out. We just hiked down. I took a video of the straight rock wall cliff. Oh, are you ready to get packed out? I'm not ready to pack them out. Ready to roll for this death hike back to the truck. Heck yeah. Ow, that hurt. Oh, so steep. Finally found a logging road and we're almost to the truck. But that's a high country mule deer hunt for you. Glad you stuck along till the end. And I hope you have a great rest of your hunting season.